Hello and welcome to digiCOACH. We're glad you're here. This video is to support teachers getting signed into their digiCOACH account for the very first time. When you receive feedback from your administrator or coach, a link to the page shown on our screen will be included. If this is your first time accessing digiCOACH, click here to activate your account. On the subsequent page, include your email address and click Email New Password. Next, head over to your inbox and click on the email that was just sent to you, and then use the link in that email to visit the digiCOACH website. On this page, we'll click Login, and on the subsequent page, we will click to create a new password. Down below, I'll click Save, and now I am on the digiCOACH dashboard with access to my data, access to cool tools to create new coaching plans, and the ability to go back and look at individual walkthroughs. To look at an individual walk, you'll find that here in My Walks and Coaching Plans. The other reports give you collective or summaries of the data collected in your classrooms. And up top, I can click New Session to document or create a new coaching plan here. Note that you will have the ability to start a walkthrough only if you've been set up as a peer observer. So if you're not going to be completing walkthroughs with digiCOACH, you won't need to worry about installing the app or using that part of the tool, but you will still be able to create coaching plans. If you need additional support, links to our training videos are included at the bottom of this page, and you can always contact us via phone at 909-922-0229 or support@digicoach.com. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being here.